Hello my creative friends, Olga Sobby here and welcome to new acrylic porn video. So this is going to be a dancing flow painting on multicolor base. So here for my base I have some really beautiful dark blues. I have some phthalo blue and greenish blue and few other shades to create some nice pops and vibrance in that base. And the flow is gonna be really bright gold with some pops of pink colors. I've been playing a lot with these colors and I know exactly what I want to do for this painting, so I am super excited to get started. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's go. Coalescence is a secret message for today's painting, and let's start adding colors for that base. So as I said, I want it to be multicolor and I want it to be primarily greenish blue. I really love how this color dries and how it also works with turquoise and with goldwood and with white. But to make it more interesting, I want to add some phthalo blue. So you can see compared to phthalo blue, greenish blue has more green tint to it. Yes, that's obvious, because phthalo blue is just phthalo pigment and greenish blue is big mix of phthalo blue and also phthalo green. This color is beautiful, but you can also mix it yourself from other colors. Okay, so phthalo blue. This one, I also want to add some turquoise and some iridescent color. This is iridescent blue-green. This is violet. I don't really want to have like violet, pure violet sections in my painting, but it's a really dark color and will help me to create some nice shades. This is another iridescent color. This is black blue. I think that should be enough for my base, so let's blow it out. Oh yeah, I didn't mention this panel is 20 by 20 inches cradled wood panel. And as always, all the supplies and links to all the colors that I'm using are in the description under the video. So check it out, and now let's blow out this beauty. This is gorgeous! I love it! Oh my gosh! So many beautiful lacy and details. And when I was blowing it out and when I was actually positioning colors, it was sort of random, but actually not exactly random. So I know which way I'm gonna have my dancing flows planned out. So this section, for example, is gonna be almost nothing here. So this is perfect to have all this beautiful lacing here, and with the area with more plain background, this is actually where my flow is going to be. So if you're also planning to do some multicolor bases for your flows, also make sure to plan out the layout of your composition first, so that when you start doing it, the direction of the blowing when you are blowing this out and the direction of your flow, they're actually in harmony with each other. Okay, just using some drips to touch up that area of my painting that is above the tape. You know me, I love to keep my clean wood sides, but I leave a little bit of panel covered on the side too, above the tape. So this is where I must make sure I have the paint. Okay, and this is looking good. I must say, I already love it. I love all the movement here. Something to keep in mind about those colors though is that they dry really dark. So having that turquoise also helps to brighten it up. So for my dancing flow, I want it to be primarily gold. It's gonna be created out of two flows, therefore coalescence, because I'm gonna be creating and working on some unity here. I added a lot of gold because I need a lot to make it work. Here I have some red-orange for the contrast with my blues and turquoise. So I mixed this color from carmine red and vermilion orange. I think I just must use some of that. So I'm adding it I want to have it just in few sections, and I'm putting it over the gold, at least I'm trying to, so it doesn't mix with blue too much. Next, I want to add some pops of pink. So I have prepared a few different shades of pink just to keep it interesting, so it's more dimensional. Some lighter, darker. Definitely want to have a lot of white, but white I'm gonna add last. See, I'm adding some colors and I'm stopping and I'm sort of trying to look from the distance, visualize how it's going to look after I blow it out to make the decision if I want to add more color anywhere or this is enough. And I'm getting very close to enough. Okay, so finally, now I'm gonna add some white on top. I'm gonna blow this out. I'm gonna start with this one first and then do the top one. Let's do it. Perfection. I love this lacing. It's so beautiful. Okay, I definitely want to add some of that blue here. I think it actually looks really nice inside of this section, so it's not blue, it's turquoise. This is good. This is good, good, good. So now, man, some of the details here are quite intense, really beautiful. That's perfect. Now I want to work on some smaller details here and there, just to adjust some of that flow. So happy. I want to add a little burst of gold in that corner. Yes, yes, perfect. I told you this greenish blue works amazing with white and gold. Such a beautiful little section. Don't like, oops, this part here a little bit. Let's get rid of it. Time to look from above to check out the composition and see if I like or dislike any sections or anything else I want to change. This really helps when working with bigger paintings. I feel like I want to just blow out the bottom section here a little. Because this part with lacing looks beautiful, but that one wasn't too pretty. Some finger swipes and just trying to plan out the flow. I absolutely love it now. It's all so beautifully connected. Perfect match for the secret message and for what I initially planned. Really so much balance and unity within the painting, despite all the different flows and really different directions of the movement. Still all dancing together. Love making my colors dance. Please let me know what do you think about the outcome and how do you like this composition, my painting today. I would love to hear from you. I'll chat with you in the comments down below. And starting next week in the next video, I will be back to my Dancing Universe series, Planet Pours, and quite a few more exciting new things coming up, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for joining me today. Take care, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!